Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be putting together a new 36-inch Blackstone griddle. I'm going to show you how to season it, and we're going to cook a little something on it when we're done too. So here we are, we're just unboxing it. If you guys have any recipes you want me to try, let me know down in the comments. So just pulling everything out. You have some hardware there, a couple other boxes. So we just pulled out the legs with the stand for the griddle top. For the past year or two, I kept saying I was going to get one of these, and I never did. But we finally got one, and I'm excited. So here we're just still pulling everything out. This is a griddle top here. This sucker's heavy. But you can tell it's quality, all rolled steel. So let's set this aside for a minute. There's a little pin in the middle there. You just pull that out. Them legs fold right up, nice and easy. So in this box, looks like we have the drip tray, or the grease pan. Open the next box. Looks like we have some wheels for the legs. Looks like the brackets for the propane. So here we got the bottom shelf opened up. It just sets in there like that. So we're going to take two of them thumb screws out. We're going to hold it up. Screw it in. Move to the other side. If you have an extra set of hands here too, it'd be helpful. But it's not too bad to do on your own. So now let's open up these wheels. They come with the bolt and the nut right in them. Slide them through. Hand tighten them for now. See Sydney over there supervising, making sure I'm doing a good job. She's not much of a help though. So we get them both threaded in. She's gonna come back with some channel locks and a wrench. Tighten everything up real nice. So now we got one of the side trays. And now we're just putting the paper towel holder on. Two little screws, simple as that. You slide it right into that channel there. There's a couple more thumb screws you got to put in. There's no hole in the side trays. The screw just goes down and butts up against it to lock it in. I guess so if you ever had to take it off, move it or store it away, you could just unthread them a little bit and slide them trays right out. So we got the trays in. Now we're going to flip this over. This is where another set of hands will come in handy. Now we're just going to put the handle on. A couple more bolts with nuts. Yourself some channel locks or a wrench to hold it on the inside. Tighten everything up real nice. Get the cutting board in that shelf. Now it's time for the griddle top. So this you're just going to line it up and drop them 4 pins right in the holes on the stand. Nothing needs to get tightened. The weight of it will just hold it in. Now we're just going to get the brackets up for the propane tank. Just a couple more bolts. You see how easy that, I mean, it took me about 20 minutes to get everything set up. Here we're just putting the igniter in with the battery. If you had another set of hands, you could probably have this set up in 15 minutes. So now it's time to season it. Blackstone says you can run it on high right from the start. I'm still a little leery of that. I'm just going to let it heat up real slow before I turn them up Wipe it down with some warm soapy water here. Now we're going to crank it up after we let it warm up for about 10-15 minutes. You see that color starting to change? That's what we're looking for. So about another 10 minutes went by on high. Now we're just going to drop some oil down. Get a paper towel with some tongs. Just going to spread this all over. Make sure there's no puddles or pooling anywhere. Get the sides real good, the tops. On the outside, kind of treat it like a cast iron pan. We're going to do this multiple times. We're just going to build up layers to make this naturally non-stick. I wouldn't use any animal fats here, especially bacon. You hear some people doing that, but I'd be worried about the salts and the nitrates in the bacon. So you saw that we let it go for about 10 minutes. That smoke stopped coming out. Now it's time for round number 2. So we're just going to hit it real good again. The whole thing, the outsides. Let it run till that smoke stops again. This is round 3 we're doing, and you can see the color changing in that griddle top. It's getting nice and black. That's what we're looking for. And I'm using avocado oil here. There's tons of different other oils you could use, but I like the avocado oil. So round 4, this is going to be our last round here of the seasoning. Now it's time to cook a little omelet. You see, the griddle's not level here. It's from the pitch of the concrete. That's okay. We'll just scoop some of that up and put it right back in. So we went with some cheese and sausage in the omelet. We're just going to scoop up the extra eggs, throw them in. We're going to pull the little omelet jig off. Flip it over, let it sit a couple minutes. Give it a flip, get the other side nice and toasted up. Use a scraper, clean everything up real nice. Just push it right into that drip tray. And I'm really happy with this. Super simple to set up. You can tell it's quality. There's the omelet. So if you're like me and thinking about getting one of these, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.